In this tutorial we will show you how to connect to your database, create a simple database query, and then display the results in a repeat region on your page. Open the Server Connect panel and add a new server action. Add a name to it. Then, right-click the server action steps. Open the Database Actions menu and select Database Connection. Click the Connection Options button. Add a name for your database connection. Then, select the database type. The databases listed here depend on your server model. For this video we are using a PHP server. If you are using some other server technology, like ASP or ASP.NET, the databases listed here may be different. For our video, we are using a MySQL database, but it's the same for any other database type. Enter your database details, like server address, port, database name, username, and password. These are usually provided in your hosting documentation or control panel. Click the Test Connection button when you are done. You will see a notification that the database connection is OK. Close this dialog, and then save your database connection. Your database connection will automatically be linked. This means that it can be reused across different server actions in your site by clicking the little folder button. Now, as we have created our database connection, let's add a database query. Right-click the connection step. Open the Database Actions menu and add a database query. You can change the default query name. Then click the Query Builder button. First, we need to add a database table to the Query Builder. Click the Add Table button. Your database tables and views will be listed here. Select the table which you want to query. You can add all the table columns to the selected columns list. Select the table name, and then click the Add Columns button. Also, you can select just some of the columns by using the Control keyboard key and clicking the column names. Then add the selected columns. You can see the generated SQL query at the bottom of the Query Builder dialog. Click the OK button and save your server action. We are done with the server-side part. Now open the App Connect panel. Add the App Connect framework to your page. In order to display the server action results on this page, we need to add the Server Connect component first. Right-click App. Open Data, and select Server Connect. Then click the Select Server Action button. Here, we select the server action, which contains our database query. Now as we have our data source included on the page, let's show the data in a repeat region. We are going to show you how to create a simple repeat region with a dynamic binding inside, but it's the same for any type of structures, tables, divs or any other HTML structure. Right-click App. Open Data, then select Repeat Region. And then click the Dynamic Data Picker button for the repeat region expression. Under Server Connect, Data, we select the database query, which we created. Click Select. The simplest way to add dynamic binding inside this repeat region is to click inside it. And then click the Insert Binding button. Important note here. Make sure to always select the bindings, which are listed under the repeat component, and not the ones under the Server Connect component. We select the product name binding. Click Select. And you are done. You can see the results directly in Dreamweaver, or in your browser. That's how easy it is to create a database query and display its results on your page using DMXzone Database Connector 2.